me just give you a little bit of introduction about Silverlit Toys Company. It was founded in Hong Kong in 1977, and that is like more than 4 decades ago. And their plant moved to Dongguan in 1987. And they have more than 2,000 employees. And since its establishment, Silverlit Toys has always adhered to its own brand and focused on developing high-tech toys. Its products are well known globally overseas. They're known as to be the creative and technological toys. And there are hundreds of R&D staff in Hong Kong and here in Dongguan, in France, and in the United States. Now, Silverlit Company, can you follow me? Silverlit Company specializes in the production of electronic and mechanical plastic toys. They started, I was talking to somebody from this company earlier. They started with remote controlled aerial toys. And as they progressed, they improved their toys, research and development, over 44 years of experience. They're popular in Europe, America, and in Asia for decades. The products have 65 invention patents, 36 utility model patents, and 520 design patents. That's a lot. I noticed one nice toy, and this is called, I want to feature this one. It's called the Robo Daco. It was recently launched. It's one of the new products that they released, and it won an award of excellence, innovation, and technology, which was sponsored by the Hong Kong Toy Manufacturers Association. Silverlit Company has obtained certifications such as IETP certification, GSV certification, ISO 9001, 2015 certification, and various customer certifications. This includes also 170 invention patents that have been declared, appearance 1383 design patents as well. What I can see here is the product line / assembly line, if I'm not mistaken. You can see the quality of how they produce these toys. So amazing, huh? All right, we are now at the pad printing department. I was so amazed because I was told a while ago earlier that this is almost a dust-free environment. This ensures that all the plastics that are being produced are actually pure and free from dust. I just saw this part of the factory that all of their machines are equipped with these, and these ensure that they have this exhaust or intake duct, right? It ensures that it is dust-free. We're now at the laboratory of Silverlit, and the laboratory is affiliated to Dongguan Silverlit Toys Company Limited. It covers an area of about 250 square meters, and the experimental area is about 200 square meters. It mainly undertakes the inspection and evaluation tasks of the company's products, components, and raw materials. The laboratory was established in January 2008, and currently they have 15 staff members, including 3 managers. It is equipped with more than 30 kinds of mechanical and physical testing equipment, and including tension meter, torsion meter, drop table, and all those equipment. Let's go ahead and check out the research and development department. They have the mechanical design, software design, electronic engineering, 3D printing area, prototype production. And we're just gonna be going around quickly here. I can see some of the toys that were familiar earlier on. Silverlit R&D department was established around 30 years ago, and it's a collection of creative design, engineering science as one of the new product development platform.